a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show you how to use closed captioning. During testing, there are passages that are read to you. If it is decided that it is helpful for you to read along with the speaker, here is what your screen will look like. If this option has been chosen for you to use during summative testing, it must be turned on by your testing coordinator in the Test Operations Management System, TOMS, at least one school day prior to testing. When there is a question that requires listening, select the play button on the left hand of the listening bar using your mouse or trackpad. Once the play button is selected, you will see a black bar with the text of the listening item. After the item has finished playing, the black text box will disappear and you will be free to answer the questions on the test. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!